Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you're all having an amazing day. I'm at Bushy Park Wetlands, one of my go-to locations when it comes to macro photography. I haven't got anything planned. I'll be just exploring the area and searching for some subjects. I found my first subject. I think it is a plant hopper. I captured this or a similar species just a few days ago at the local nature reserve. I'll be shooting everything at 1/80th of a second, ISO 160 to start with. f/14 is my go-to aperture, which gives me enough depth of field. And I've got my usual Canon 100mm macro lens along with the DCR-250 from Raynox, which gives me an extra 40% magnification. Just making sure that the magnification ratio is at 1:1 maximum. It's good. I'm gonna try and stack these shots. I ended up taking 8 images, which I'll be stacking in Zerine. Let's have a look at the final image now and let me know what you think. I'm gonna take the Raynox off and I'll be just shooting at 1:1 magnification. I wonder if I can go to the other side. Put my back like that. I'm too fat for this shit. Oh. Just making sure that the eye is nice and sharp and try to get everything in one single focal plane so the majority of the subject is sharp enough or in focus. I found the dead huntsman right there, or just a molted exoskeleton of it. Wow, that's crazy. I'm just gonna take a life-size 1:1 shot of those massive fangs. Then just zoom out a little bit and capture the entire body. I hope it's not gonna freak you out. I found similar plant hoppers or leaf hoppers on a blade of grass here. I think it is the exact same species that I captured on that fence post. Yeah, not too bad. I'm actually gonna increase the ISO to 250 and place the DCR-250 back on. Oops, it's in my other pocket. So all the exposure settings remain the same except the ISO, which I bumped up to 250 because the ambient light is not as strong. I can almost fill the entire frame with the subject. The highlights just above the eyes are a little bit too strong, but not too bad. There's a nice fly here, really colorful. Ah, flew away. They can get started quite easily because of the flash. I think I'm gonna remove the Raynox again. Just gives me too much magnification. I think I found I'm not sure if it's a BBO imitator or compost fly, but it definitely resembles that species. It's just chilling on this grass. It's too windy. Oh no, it's crabbed. I found some larvae here. I believe they are larvae of some fly species. I'm just gonna hold this branch as stable as possible. I can. They look so cool. They're very small. They're a little bit raucous. Sulfur-crested cockatoos just nesting over there. I found a beautiful little ladybug. Oh, wow, it captured an aphid. Yes, it did capture an aphid. They're crazy predatorial. Wow. I've never seen anything like it. Stabilizer is on. I'm just recording it now. I have found another subject right here on this beautiful flower. It's just hard to spot it through the viewfinder. Where are you? I'm gonna just remove the DCR-250 and take a high angle shot, which probably is gonna make it easier to identify the species. Let's see. All right, and then maybe move around, take another image from this angle. Just exploring the scene. I've got another subject. Oh, I had another subject, it just flew away. This beautiful fly species, rather colorful, orange. Oh, it's right there. It looks like a fruit fly. Gotta be careful approaching. I'm gonna check on the DCR-250 and see if I can get closer and get more detail in the eyes. There's something here, just on the underside of this leaf. Let's see. It's so beautiful. Gorgeous iridescent species. Lovely. I got one decent shot. Let's use the snap-on lens again. And hopefully it's not gonna move. We can get a closer shot. I had to hold the plant firmly because the wind was just too strong. But I got one shot at least that the focus is pin sharp on its eye. I found a beautiful weevil. I can barely fit the entire specimen in a single frame. Unbelievable. Beautiful specimen. Oh my god, my allergy is killing me. Now I've got the Raynox DCR-250 on. Ah, it flew away. I managed to grab a frame where it fully extended its wings just before taking off. Let's have a look now. Let me know what you think. I think we should wrap this up for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me on this little macro adventure. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and see you guys very soon in my next video.